Okay, y'all. Here, girl, a taste of this bloody spaghetti. Not one pink eye and one blue eye. What's that? What's up, y'all? I'm back on another video. What's up, y'all? Okay, y'all, I'm back on another video, another little bloggy blog. I don't know what's all gonna be in this video, but yeah, right now, whipping it up. I'm whipping up some spaghetti. I got a half of a red and green bell pepper in there, and I got a whole yellow onion in there. And I am now about to add my sauce. Yes, sir. So today, y'all, we are having spaghetti for dinner. I hope that y'all are doing fine. I hope everybody week have started off great. We're in a new month, October. It's getting closer to the winter holidays. We got Halloween coming up. We got Thanksgiving coming up. If y'all hear anything, they vacuuming in the hallway. We got Thanksgiving coming up in November. And then we got Christmas. So, yes. Oh, this spaghetti smells so good, y'all. I just season my meat regularly with the regular smuggler seasonings. And now I'm about to add in my sauces that y'all saw me buy from Avis. Yeah, my 2 sauce. I'm gonna start off with just a can of tomato sauce if it's not saucy enough. I'm about to add some, how do you say this seasoning? Oregano. Is that how you say it? Oregano. I would say oregano. I don't know. But I think it's oregano. I think that's how people see it. Add some of that to my meat. That tastes good. And that tastes good in spaghetti and lasagna, y'all. And I got some rosemary. I'm going to add that to the sauce with some sugar, y'all. And we're going to be good to go. I got to cook the noodles. And that's going to be it. Oh, yeah, y'all. I'm being ghetto. I got my meat. Cooking my meat with this knife. That's how I chop it down and everything. Sure did. It got the job done. See y'all in the field. I'll walk down and get the brothers. Okay. Okay, y'all. So I am now about to add the sauce. Shake them up, shake them up. Well, can't really shake them that much and if the camera moving all kind of ways, it's because I am trying to hold the phone and do my put up my sauce. Let me get this other sauce open, y'all. Y'all stay tuned.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I must spend my life with you. I won't please you any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love
sorry, the alarm went off. But I already have put the rosemary seasoning in there. I just now have to add a little bit of sugar. This right here. Put that in my pasta sauce and add a little bit of sugar and we'll be good to go. So let me go ahead and add some water to this. The kids are home. Y'all gonna say hey? Oh, really? And they go Ameer. And they go AJ looking out the window. Y'all gonna say hey?
Hey. Hey,
What's... Oh. Gonna say hey to the blog? Okay. So that's all y'all. That's all he gave y'all today. Y'all, my daughter sitting up here, call herself doing her sister face, cause she wanna have a makeup channel. My daughter right here in the red short, she wanna have a makeup channel, so she called herself doing her sister face, and the whole time, y'all look at this. This is just. This is what I deal with, y'all. Look at this. This is what I deal with. What is my poor child? Go and clean your face, honey. Trice, what do you have to say for yourself?
Nothing. I just took a prank on her. And you ruined my prank. I'm ruining your prank.
Whatever. You had her over there just innocent. She thought you was really working her face. Shame on you, Trice. Shame on you. Not one pink eye and one blue eye. Really? That is so wrong, Trice. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all. Here, girl, a taste of this bloody spaghetti. What's wrong, AJ? Why you looking like that?
You sounded like an emo person.
I sound like an emo person. It's Halloween. It's October.
Like what?
No, okay, y'all. Let me stop. Y'all, here go the finishing touches. Y'all should have seen them kids' faces, y'all.
Mommy.
Yes.
Look, Mommy.
Boy, look, here go the finishing touches of my so evil.
It's red sauce, Halloween.
What?
I don't think it's sausage. I think it's blood.
This is not blood. Oh, this is, y'all, here go the finishing touches. Here we go. Of my spaghetti, y'all. I am now about to eat. The kids is already eating, as y'all see. Don't that look good?
I'm done.
This phone probably not giving it justice, but here you go, y'all.
Put some of meat.
Okay. What she gave you?
The regular one.
Do you see me?
This one.
Do you see me? You see me good?
Mm-hmm.
It's Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th. This is the time that Jason, Michael Myers, this is their day.
Michael Myers is October the 31st.
Okay, but this is all their day. Okay, this is Jason Day. It's Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th, guys. Friday.
Yeah, I think I know that.
Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me?
Yeah.
It's Friday the 13th, guys. Friday the 13th. Y'all looking into my eyes? Okay, y'all. We're about to do this little experiment, okay? It's Halloween, guys. I tried. I'm so silly. It was not meant to be that funny. Why are you still laughing? It was supposed to be scary. It's not that funny. Wipe your tears. Really? And Trice, you not paying attention? So it's not scary?
No.
I'm gonna get y'all. Watch this. I'm gonna get y'all. See me good?
Rap it. Just rap it. You're not
Hey y'all. Okay. Currently, y'all, this is the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. We didn't do the popcorn and scary movies last night, y'all, for Friday the 13th. By the time the kids got home, AJ was not feeling well. He been coughing, so he went on to sleep. And then that right there just settled the moment. As you looked around, everybody was asleep. So, but right now we're doing that now. Right now we're watching Scream. What is it? Scream 5? Yeah, we're watching Scream 5, guys. Yeah. I'm about to go ahead and get in the shower.
Mama, he's not doing that. I can literally see you right. That's funny. Can you move? Whatever. I can literally see you right here. Whatever. Oh yeah, he's sorry.